How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy, and at IFA 2018, Samsung showcased its latest in TV technology, the Samsung Q900R 8K HDR QLED TV. And it's coming to the UK mid-October and will be available in 65, 75, 82 and 85 inches variants. So you have to pick wisely depending on how big your living room is or bedroom, likewise. To achieve 8K quality images, Samsung used a few technology here and there. So the Samsung Q900R features real 8K resolution capable of up to 4000 nit peak brightness. I believe that's probably the brightest you'll ever get right now when it comes to TV. This feature allows the TV to produce 4 times more pixels than 4K UHD TVs, 16 times more pixels than a full HD TV. Now let that sink in. That's a lot of resolution, so you'll be able to see everything in detail. So if you think 4K right now is amazing, wait till you see this thing in person. Standing in front of it and comparing it to HD and 4K content as well that I had on display, the colors look accurate, vibrant, and using HDR10 plus technology, it just looks amazing. Although it's 8K, it will also upscale your content regardless of the original source of the content using 8K, AI upscaling technology and machine learning. Whether you're watching the content through a set-top box, HDMI, USB, the TV will upscale your content to 8K quality for both video and audio using quantum processor 8K, which is quite impressive the way it looks. Again, using the comparison that they've got set up at the booth, I was able to see this. But again, I'm looking forward to reviewing and actually seeing how that works in person. For contrast, the Q900R features a direct full array Elite for enhanced contrast and backlighting control, and also 100% color volume. No word on pricing yet, but rest assured it will be pricey, and I also can't imagine who will be buying this yet and where it stands when it comes to gaming, but I look forward to spending more time with it to see how this fully pans out and how this is going to look and work. In general, you get the rest of the Samsung features like smart things and the tiny little cable to keep things nice and tidy. Also, you get wallpaper feature again, so that it's not just redundant black screen on the wall. For example, you can put wallpaper on it and so on. Anyway, in the meantime, guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm Tommy. This is GadgetsBoy. Catch you guys in the next one.